Hey guys, welcome to the free Unity assets for February/March 2021, and we'll look at all the great assets including editor extensions, models, visual effects, other effects, scripting and more. So the first one is the Add, Save, Load, Repeat Lite, and it's a solution for saving, loading and creating a database for very basic parameters to get started for health, weapon information, energy scores, levels, money and other items. It has an inspector window, easy for quick saving and quick loading, checkpoints and a simple loading screen. The next one is something called the Drag Ragdoll Rigid Body plus Fly Camera, and this is a simple script which allows you to drag any ragdoll or any other rigid body with the mouse. Temporarily attaches a spring joint when you click on the rigid body and allows you to drag it around and use the scroll wheel, press space to move the current positions, change the pivot, twist it around and do all different functionality like that. The next one is the Pixel Art Top Down Basic, and this is a set of 32 by 32 basic sprite tile sets for a top down game with 48 different props, with 15 grasses, 3 trees, all the way up to 512 resolution. The next one is UModeler Lite. So this actually allows you to do 3D modeling and prototyping inside Unity, so you can import and export processes that are not necessarily in the world. You can sketch based on the 3D modeling techniques that you know. It's got powerful and solid 3D modeling tools, and it has a great online community to be able to help you get started, be able to use more of the advanced features and take it from there. The next one is something called Custom Toolbar. It allows you to create the ability to add new toolbars and organize them. So you can add toolbars to reorder and customize them, easy to write new toolbars, and also have settings menus in the preferences to be able to adjust the settings with whatever you need your toolbars to do. And the next one is something called the Simple 2D Platformer Assets Pack, and now this developer called Gold Metal has a load of different assets that are free for this month with 3D models, 2D, lots of different things throughout there. You can just have a little look and it comes with loads and loads and loads. The next one is something called Cast Visualizer, and it's a tool extension for the Unity editor which allows you to visualize all casts and overlap to make tests and check results of where things hit, where colliders are, if things have been working, be able to check all, none, and just have loads of different things for whether it's physics raycasts or other things to be able to visualize it and make it really easy for you. And the next one here is the Player Preferences Starter Kit, and this is one by me, of course, because I would obviously feature it on my own. So this is just a really basic, with core basic examples on being able to save integers, floats, booleans, strings and other values in a really simple format with really simple scripts which will show you exact use cases of each, with a basic main menu, showing you it in gameplay, showing you how to save data within a menu, load that, and all things that you need to know with basic player preferences setup. The next one is the Footsteps Essentials, and it's a selection of 288 quality sound effects for different footsteps, whether it be dirty ground, grass, gravel, leaves, mud, rock, snow, tile, water or wood. The next one is something called the Pixel Platformer Art Pack. The next one is the Modular Sofa Free, which is a sofa with 5 modular models ranging from 900 to 1700 polygons per model with around 4K textures. And last but not least is something called the Rigged Controller XBO. So this is a PBR controller which is rigged and ready to be able to use for the analog sticks and to be able to simulate the actual use of an Xbox controller with 2K to 4K textures with a real world scale. So be sure to check out all these fantastic assets for this month. Be sure to leave reviews and thank all the developers for their great work. Be sure to check out my great assets on the Unity store. Come and join me on Discord, and be sure to check out my Patreon if you want to support the channel. So thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.